happening. I am right now gearing up for a really exciting job. The job is next week in Sydney and it's for Mercedes-Benz, the new X-Class. So right now I'll take you through what I'm doing. It's basically the gearing up stage. So you can see all around me, there's just crap everywhere. I guess it's just the planning stage. So we're getting all the drones lined up, making sure we've got all the batteries, accessories, radio, comms, gear, all that kind of stuff set up. So by the time we get to Sydney, we'll be ready to go. There's a 3-man crew, so it'll be myself as the DOP, there'll be a pilot and someone else that will be an on-site wrangler as well. The 3 drones we're using Inspire 2 Pro, Phantom 4 Pro and the new Mavic 2 Pro. So we're taking the Mavic 2 Pro to get some really cool hyperlapse sequences at the beginning, hopefully, fingers crossed. And then the Inspire 2 will probably be the core drone that we'll be using because we've got interchangeable lenses and so on. It's only an overnight trip. So we arrive on the Tuesday, get in the hire car, go straight to the accommodation and then set up there. Very early start in the morning, about 5 a.m. We're going to get to the Sydney Motorsport Park track. And that's where we'll start our pre-flight, do a couple of quick tests, and then the cars will be on the track very early. Stay with me, I'll take you through the whole thing. Rightio, so we just had a briefing with the client and also with the client's client. And we're back in the hotel room, setting up for tomorrow because it's going to be an early start. Charging up our batteries, making sure the memory card's clear, formatted, making sure we're ready to go for tomorrow.
Always be prepared.
So we just finished the first flight in the morning. Not so good start. There's a lot of rain, mist and shit everywhere. So we had to ground both drones. And then it cleared up and it started looking pretty good. We had Paul on the Phantom 4 Pro getting some wides and longer establishing shots. And then Ash and myself were on the Inspire 2 dual ups. We had the 12mm for a bit. We didn't use the wide, didn't use the Laowa, but we switched over to the 45 and got some really cool tight dynamic shots. I think we're pretty happy, but we had to end it quite early because there's some safety briefing and driver briefing and so on happening very, very soon. So, yeah, Paul, any comments? Any thoughts?
It's good that weather's sort of turned in our favour for a little bit. And go West Coast. Yeah.
Boom!
It's very inspiring.